Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to RSVP to an event on Partiful. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've gone ahead and received an invite for an event in Partiful. How do you actually go ahead and RSVP to an event? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually do this is that first you're going to click on the event in which you've been invited to. Next, when you scroll down, you're going to see different options with icons. So as you can see here, the options are going, maybe, or can't go. So if you click on going, it may ask you to enter your phone number or name just to verify the RSVP. So just simply input your name or phone number and then click on continue. Now in this specific RSVP, you could actually add different attendees, and you could also add comments, or you can even add a GIF. So once you've done that, just click on continue and you've now RSVP'd to an event on Partiful. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and RSVP to an event on Partiful. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.